Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be interesting because I'm going to be talking about social media. Just tell me one thing. What we are without social media? Especially at the time of pandemic, we have, learned the importance of social media. Without social media, without online apps, we couldn't survive. So social media has been playing very important role in our life. Today's video is going to be one such important social media platform which has developed recently for professionals, like for formal people. I am talking about LinkedIn. Yes, so let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and in today's video I am going to be telling you the business model of LinkedIn. So at this particular time, we have Facebook to find our friends, we have Instagram to showcase our talent, we have Snapchat with amazing filters, we have WhatsApp to chat, to message, to text. Similarly, we have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional, rather formal platform where you can showcase your qualifications, where you can tell that you are at this post, you have this designation, and people will approach you if they are interested. And you can also approach people for work related stuff. So just like Facebook and Instagram, this is also a wide range of network of professionals where we can find CEOs, employees, top level managements. Every professional who is working is on LinkedIn. Even freshers, even interns, whoever is working or unemployed are there on LinkedIn. And I believe in today's world, everyone should be there on LinkedIn to find jobs and to get employed. So before moving forward in this video, I would like to tell you that we, that is Startup Lanes, also have our account on LinkedIn. So if you want to know more about us, you can surely click on the link that is there in the description box and know our daily happenings. So let's start from the beginning. The idea of LinkedIn has come up in May 2003, where a US-based influencer named Mr. Hoffman thought that unlike every other platform, there should be a platform for only professionals. So it was his idea to bring all the professionals all over the globe at one particular platform. So I genuinely believe that if you want to grow professionally, you must have your account on LinkedIn. So as I mentioned, LinkedIn was founded in 2003, but LinkedIn got so much popularity that within 1 year, that is in 2004 June, it had 1 million subscribers. And also let me tell you that in the initial phase, LinkedIn was only available on Windows, that is on laptop and computers. After 4 years, in 2008, the mobile version of LinkedIn was launched. And after few years, that is in 2016, Microsoft also acquired LinkedIn. Another interesting thing about LinkedIn is that till date, they have done 7 funding rounds, and in those 7 funding rounds, they have received $158.4 million by the investors. As Facebook has acquired few major businesses just like WhatsApp and Instagram, LinkedIn has also acquired few businesses. From those, 2 main businesses are Lynda. Lynda is a platform where you can learn as much as you can by paying just a minimal amount of monthly fee subscription. It also provides certification for every completed course. The second business which LinkedIn has acquired is SlideShare. SlideShare is a platform where you can make PPTs, you can take ideas for PPTs from SlideShare. Not only this, one can also publish their research. Like I have made one PPT, I have done submitting it in my college or in my office, and after that I can publish it on SlideShare also. So in future, if someone else is doing the same research, they can take ideas from my PPT and make their own PPT. So coming back to LinkedIn, LinkedIn works on a freemium business model. And in that also there are 2 subdivisions. The first is business model, which is related to business related works mostly, and the second is subscription based. So the first thing that I'm going to discuss is talent solution. So what LinkedIn does is LinkedIn provide a platform where the recruiters, the people who want to hire, can go and search for specific talents. So if I am there in some corner of US maybe, so the person sitting in India can find me on base of my talent. So if in my profile there is written that I am an actor or I am a video journalist, so they can type here that we need actor, we need video journalist, we need person to make case studies, and they can find me just by sitting in some another country. So that's talent hunter. So it has been seen that people who used to use Internshala, who used to use Naukri.com has shifted to LinkedIn because of this amazing feature of LinkedIn. Also, 65% of LinkedIn revenue is been generated by this talent segment of LinkedIn. So now I'm going to tell you that why this talent segment of LinkedIn is so useful. For example, you post a picture on Facebook that you have visited so and so place. People like your picture, they comment, and there is a communication happening between the person and you. Similarly, on LinkedIn, you post your qualification, you post where you are working, you post your past work experience. So basically, your whole resume is there on LinkedIn. The second is marketing solution. So just like other social media platforms, you can also advertise your advertisements on LinkedIn. But understand one thing, on Facebook and Instagram you find all sort of people, but on LinkedIn there are professional people. So you can specifically target professional people. So on Instagram you can run your ads where a kid is eating a chocolate, maybe there it's ad of a chocolate company, but that is not there in LinkedIn. On LinkedIn you have to run ads which are triggered to some professional personality. Therefore LinkedIn ads are relatively more expensive, but their conversion rate is higher than any social media platform. The next segment of LinkedIn is sales solution. Now for example, everyone must know what is sales CRM. Every office has sales CRM. So for example, I have acquired one lead. Basically, there are thousands of numbers which any companies have, and randomly people call and ask that, do you need these services? We provide so and so services. So I have acquired one lead. So in a day, if I am calling 100 people, maybe 50 have has been converted by me. 10 have told that I'll call you tomorrow. Half of them have told that please mail me formally. Half of them are not interested. So all these data have to be stored somewhere. So many people use Excel for this, but only if you know how to use Excel at a high level, you can use Excel software for this purpose. But LinkedIn provides you sales CRM services. This feature of LinkedIn is a paid feature. Initially, you can use it free for some time, but afterwards you need to pay to use this service. So initially I was talking about a talent segment where I talked about recruiters. So here in the premium segment, you can contact directly to the recruiters and tell them that I have so and so skills. So if you want me, you can hire. You also come to know that who have visited your profile, who have seen your profile. In the premium subscription, you can also get personal mentoring from people who are highly qualified. So under this segment, there is also called featured segment, where suppose I am a recruiter and I have posted that I need a person for so and so position. Now there would be 100 of applicants who have applied for the post. So I can't go and check each and every resume. So what I will do is I will just click on one button and I will get to know who have paid money for the premium subscription, and I will get to know that okay, few people are serious about getting jobs and few people are serious in their life. So maybe I can shortlist them. So there is a featured feature which you can use. From that you can come to know that who all are serious in their life as far as their professional life is concerned. Not only this, if I am a job applicant and I have applied for a particular post, even I can see the applicants who have applied other than me. I can see their resumes as well. I can see what type of salary the company is paying by visiting the already employed people in their company. So the premium feature of LinkedIn is just bang on to use. So till now I have explained you a few subscriptions. So this all come under one category which is called career subscription. So the next segment which the premium subscription has is business subscription. So let's know more about it. So the first feature which comes under business subscription is InMail. For example, if I have some business idea and I need to present it in front of a great investor, I can message that person, because just like Facebook, even in LinkedIn also, if I am messaging an unknown person, my request or my message will go into the request box and the person can't see them unless and until he visits the request box. But this is not there in the premium subscription. If you have the premium subscription, you can text or message any unknown person over this globe who is there on LinkedIn. But there is also one limitation for this in-mail service. You can only message or text limited people in a day or in a month. And just like other platforms, as I told you, here also you can make your company's profile, like not only your own profile, your qualification, your work experience, but you can also make your company's account where you can tell about the history of the company, you can tell about the employers which you have, and so on. Now you can contact any person on this globe as far as he is there on LinkedIn, but there is something called third degree. For example, I am in contact of Harry and Harry is in contact of Joy. So the only limitation here is I can contact or search Joy. I can't go beyond that. So this is called third degree. So the mutual searching which happens, that happens only between two people. If I know someone and that person knows the third person, I can only reach till the third person, not beyond that. Now the third premium segment is Sales Navigator Premium Subscription. So let's know what is that. So as an ideal salesperson, the job of a salesperson is to call people, to visit the CEOs and founders or the vendors who can give you jobs or give you tenders. But on LinkedIn, the whole game has been changed. You can call people if you want, you can mail people, you can message them or text them, whatever you want. So LinkedIn has reduced the employers. So if you are using this feature of LinkedIn, then the employers which you hire got reduced automatically. You don't need to hire people to visit places. You don't need to hire people for calling. You just have to hire 2 to 3 people who can work on this feature, this premium feature of LinkedIn, and your work is done. And as I mentioned, the CRM services which LinkedIn provides, you can also analyze your own sales if you have used that service of LinkedIn. There is one more interesting feature of LinkedIn, that it provides you lead recommendation. For example, today I have searched some marketing stuff, or I have searched Ratan Tata. So tomorrow, LinkedIn will show me such leads who are related to only these features. So this is called lead recommendation. That if today I am interested in few services or few departments, tomorrow LinkedIn will automatically provide me leads related to those departments. So LinkedIn is basically for every professional. If you are employed, if you are not employed, if you want to hire, if you are a sales department person, if you are a businessman, if you are an owner of a high class company, LinkedIn is for everyone. LinkedIn is also for interns, let me tell you, because interns are increasing day by day. So it is for every professional. So as I mentioned before, that more than 60% of the revenue of LinkedIn is earned by the talent sector, which is the hiring sector. So let me tell you, there is one more interesting feature which is called integrated hiring, where if you want to hire people for too many positions, for more than 2 to 3 positions, you can shortlist those positions, and by clicking some filters, you can shortlist the people within short period of time. At the end of the video, I would be talking about my personal favorite advantage which LinkedIn has got. That's the first mover advantage. For the very first time, LinkedIn has managed to connect all the professionals over the globe. So here's a tip. Just like other social media platforms, if you want to get visibility on LinkedIn, the only thing you need to do is you need to share. You have to share as much as content you can. You can share any professional content you want on your LinkedIn which is related to your profession, and you will get visibility. Other details such as how many users this LinkedIn had, how many active users are there, how many sleeping users are there, all that information is there in the description box. If you want to know about LinkedIn, you can check the description. If you want to know more about our company, you can also visit our LinkedIn channel whose link is given in the description box. Also, you can go and check our website called startuplanes.com, and for more such content, for more such beautiful videos, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have liked this video, then please like this video too. Thank you so much.